friends, welcome to Healthy Chit Chat with Ratan. Today I'm going to share with you all benefits of fox nuts, which are also popularly known as makhana or lotus seeds. So let's see what are the benefits of fox nuts or makhana. So makhana are basically high in fiber. It is having high amount of potassium, magnesium, calcium, and also it is having high amount of protein. So basically you will get more of the nutrition if you keep using this makhana in your daily diet, due to because it is high in fiber, so it keeps you full for longer. So if you want to lose your weight quickly, so you can add these makhanas into your snacks and have it between your meals, or have it in have it regularly if you want to get rid of your wrinkles, because it slows down your aging process. It is also having high amount of calcium, so if you are having a deficiency of calcium, so you can have it regularly in your diet. It also helps you to fight against your infertility. It cures diarrhea as well. But if you are already suffering from problem like constipation, so don't in that case you don't eat that makhana in your diet, or lotus seed or fox nuts into your diet, because if you eat that in too much quantity, they can lead to constipation as well. So if you eat it in a reasonable quantity, like one handful full of makhanas every day, maybe 8 to 10 makhanas per day, so that's sufficient to avail the benefits of makhanas. Also it is low in saturated fats, and also it is low in sodium. So also I would like to tell you one more benefit, like sometime when we feel when we wake up in the morning, or if there is a water retention, so we got like puffiness in our eyes, and sometime we got puffiness in our toe as well. So when you got this kind of problem of water retention, makhana also helps you to get rid to help you to flush out your excess water from your body, because it is having, as I told you, high amount of phosphorus and potassium. So it helps you to flush out your excess water from your body. Also, if anytime it happens like you got a water retention and puffiness on your face or your toe, then if you drink more water, it will help you out more to flush out those puffiness. So eating makhanas in our day-to-day life is very good for your health. It because it keeps you it is high in fiber, so it keeps you full for a longer period. So just add them as a snack. Also like you can use makhanas in a way like to have a snack, like you can just roast them dry, or you can roast it in a 1 spoon of clarified butter or ghee. So if you roast makhanas into clarified butter and ghee, then you can put some Himalayan salt into it. It will add more flavor into makhanas, and you can eat it as a snack. If you want to eat it like normal, like without adding something, so you can also eat that, but just eat in a proper amount, like don't eat too much. Just eating like handful of makhanas every day is sufficient to avail benefits of makhanas. I hope you like these benefits. But also I would like to share with you, if some people who are already having a problem like constipation, so don't eat makhanas before consulting to doctor. Also, if you are a diabetic patient, then because makhana is good for your maintaining your blood sugar level. But if you are already taking a medicine related to diabetes, so there is no need to take makhanas into your diet. But if you want to take it, then consult with your doctor. Some people also have allergy to makhanas or lotus seed or fox nuts. So if you are aware of that allergy, or if you are not too sure, just consult with your doctor before just start consuming your makhanas. But first consult with your doctor if you are allergic to anything. So these are the benefits and usage and side effects of makhanas or lotus seeds or foxnut. I hope you like my video, and I hope you like all these benefit. And if you like it, please do like, share and comment on my YouTube video. Also subscribe my YouTube channel. I will be coming soon to see you again with more health tips, beauty tips, and your weight loss tips. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.